Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to share a map. So let's go ahead and use the New York map that I always go with. Forgive me for that. In our new system, it is much easier to share maps. We will be the first to admit that it was perhaps a little too complex and unnecessarily hard to find the right feature when you wanted to share in our past system. But we've streamlined that process and now it is easier than ever. If you want to share a map, you just in your admin panel go to the map you want to share, and you click. You click share, and up pops a send invitation form. You could enter an unlimited number of email addresses. Just make sure you separate them by commas, and then you can go ahead and send the map. You could also change the permission type from just being able to read or rather view it, and go all the way to editing if you'd like. Also, if you have existing maps and you want to toggle between several, you can go to permissions, and here you'll see that I have users with whom I'm already connected, and I can add that user, and you'll see the map count for how many maps I've shared with them. And that's pretty much it. We've tried to make it as easy as possible and as quick as possible. So all you really need to do is click one button and that map is shared. Thanks.